An IAM user can have an access key and a secret key that can be used to perform actions using the AWS CLI or programmatically. Having numerous unused access keys increases the attack surface. These keys provide the same level of access as the user's credentials. Therefore, based on the permissions the user has been assigned, a key theft or leakage incident may result in an account wide compromise. In this video, we will take a look at how you can remove an access key for an IAM user in AWS. Log into AWS Management Console and navigate to IAM Service. Under Access Management on IAM Dashboard, go to Users. On the Users page, we can see the list of users and the age of their active access key. Select the user from the list for whom you want to remove the access key. On Summary page, click on Security Credentials tab. Under Access Keys section, we can see the user's access keys and their status. If you are not sure whether the access key is being used anywhere or not, you can deactivate the key initially by selecting the Deactivate option and delete it when you are sure that it is not in use. We have covered this in another video. To delete the key, click on Actions drop down and select the Delete option. Before deleting an active key, we must first deactivate the key. Click on Deactivate. Provide the access key ID of the key that we want to delete and click on Delete button. The access key has been successfully deleted for the user. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos on cloud security.